Hello guys, di Bas 0302 and I really just want to inform you that the PC that I agree, no, that I promised that December will be made is not coming because many things that I have to do first, like paying my car, paying my college tuition and all. So approximately will be in February. I hope in February. Just it's 50-50, I don't know. Because I got accident again and yeah, kinda like that. And today what I want to talk you about is not about my laptop that has been repaired. I'm gonna continue Valkyrie Chronicles in there. But a new meme that people talk about in internet. This one. Do you see it? Yeah. Om telolet om. Sorry. Om telolet om. Om telolet om. Oh, basically telolet is a bass horn. Oh, sorry. Bass horn or truck horn. So it's like a dang. Let me try find the easy way to give you the truck horn or bass horn. Bass horn. It's funny. It's very funny. So this is the bass horn.
Okay, we're going to demonstrate a K5LA.
Sorry. That it. I'm gonna. Whoever have this YouTube, I'm sorry, but I want to show you what the.
See how much louder it is.
Let's go.
There's the train horn hooked up.
That's the horn. Bus horn. It's a turn horn, right? Okay, so there is also the dark horn compilation. That's the dark horn. But for the telolet, it's also a bass horn. It's also a truck horn in Indonesia only. So here, this is one of them. Here. So it's the Chanjam Hollywood channel. I don't know who is it, I just random it. Here, see. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Okay. Telolet, see? Yeah. Da. Here we go. It's funny that this horn is already in Indonesia for like decade from 90s or 80s, I forgot, but it's already long. It's very long years, and the hype is now. The hype is just happening in December or the September, November, December last 2016, and it become the awesome thing you ever heard. I always heard whenever I'm going to part that not from the Indonesia, that not city, and yeah, it's funny. I never seen it in the city. I never seen the developing city, but like the village or something, they have it. This is also one of the. Wait. god! So for you people who doesn't know telolet thing, this is it. A bass horn, drum horn. And if you want to plant that in your country, give me a record, and I want to show it to the other world. Don't mind. Well, to Indonesia also. Anyway, that's it, guys. The information about PC and about TELOLET that has been spiral in internet a year ago. That's it. That's it, guys. And in next years, I will continue the game. Maybe not Gundam because I still doesn't have any money to do that. But maybe in that time also I have money. Money for VPN. But also I want to try the Gundam from Taiwan. But I need to know how to install it. I don't speak Taiwanese. That is Chinese language, but they are, well, you know. And Taiwanese, yeah, I will speak, just say that. Speak the language of Taiwanese, the alphabet, I don't know, the kanji. I cannot speak that, even though I can read the kanji of Japanese, but I cannot read the kanji of Taiwanese. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video. See you guys in the Gundam in the next year and of Far Cry Chronicle and Gundam Online. By the way, do you know that the one who made the... Oh, never mind. Sorry. Bye.